So the question number one is Chandratal Lake is situated in which district? Is it A. Una, B. Chamba, C. Sirmaur, or is it D. Lahaul Spiti? And the answer to this question is D. Lahaul Spiti. In South India, Kaveri is a major river, while in Himachal Pradesh, it is a waterfall, lake, bird sanctuary, or a mountain peak. And the answer to this question is B. Kaveri is a lake in Himachal Pradesh. Question number 3 is Nako Lake is situated in which district? Is it A. Chamba, B. Lahaul Spiti, C. Kangra, or is it D. Kinnaur? And the answer to this question is Kinnaur. Question number 4 is Rivalsar Lake is located in which district? A. Bilaspur, B. Sirmaur, C. Mandi, or is it D. Chamba? And the answer to this question is Mandi. Kamrunag Lake is situated in Mandi district in which tehsil? A. Sarkaghat, B. Karsog, C. Chachiot, or is it D. Sundarnagar? And the answer to this question is C. Chachiot tehsil. Now, question number 6 is which of the following is not a natural lake? Is it A. Renuka, B. Rivalsar, C. Pando, or is it D. Khajiyar? And the answer to this question is C. Pando. Now, question number 7 is Renuka Lake is situated in A. Shimla, B. Kullu, C. Sirmaur, or is it D. Mandi? And the answer to this question is Sirmaur. Renuka Lake is situated in Sirmaur. Now, which of the following lake is situated in Mandi district? Is it A. Mani Mahesh, B. Dal, C. Surajtal, or is it D. Kumarwa? And the answer to this question is D. Kumarwa. Now, question number 9 is which of the following lake is a natural lake? Is it A. Gobind Sagar, B. Rivalsar, C. Pong, or is it D. Pando? And the answer to this question is B. Rivalsar. Question number 10 is Mahakali Lake is situated in which district? A. Shimla, B. Chamba, C. Kullu, or is it D. Sirmaur? And the answer to this question is B. Chamba. Question number 11 is Lama Dal Lake is situated in A. Lahaul Spiti, B. Kinnaur, C. Kullu, or is it D. Chamba? And the answer to this question is D. Chamba. Now, question number 12 is Dal Lake is situated in which district? Is it A. Kangra, B. Una, C. Shimla, or is it D. Solan? And the answer to this question is A. Kangra. Now, question number 13 is biggest lake of Himachal Pradesh is A. Dashore, B. Renuka, C. Chandranahan, or is it D. Gobind Sagar? And the answer to this question is D. Gobind Sagar. Question number 14 is the shore or the Sheer Lake is situated where? A. Near Mandali, Kullu. B. Rivalsa town, Mandi. C. Dhankar, Sirmaur. Or is it D. None of these? And the answer to this question is A. Near Mandali, Kullu. Now, question number 15 is Surajtal Lake is situated in which district? A. Kullu. B. Lahaul Spiti. C. Chamba. Or is it D. Sirmaur? And the answer to this question is Lahaul Spiti. Now, question number 16 is Sarvalsar and Brigu Lake are situated in which district? A. Mandi. B. Kinnaur. C. Sirmaur. Or is it D. Kullu? And the answer to this question is Kullu. Now, question number 17 is Kareri Lake is situated in which district? A. Kangra. B. Kinnaur. C. Sirmaur. Or is it D. Kullu? And the answer to this question is A. Kangra. Now, question number 18 is which district headquarter is near Gobind Sagar Lake? A. Solan. B. Hamirpur. C. Bilaspur. Or is it D. Mandi? And the answer to this question is C. Bilaspur. Now, question 19 is what are Surajtal and Chandratal? A. Rivers. B. Natural lakes. C. Sport persons. Or is it D. Man-made lakes? And the answer to this question is B. Natural lakes. Now, question number 20 is Chandranahan Lake is situated in which district? Is it A. Shimla. B. Mandi. C. Kangra. Or is it D. Chamba? And the answer to this question is A. Shimla. Question number 21 is Kalasar Lake is situated in which district? A. Shimla. B. Chamba. C. Mandi. Or is it D. Kullu? And the answer to this question is C. Mandi. Question number 22 is Prashar Lake is situated in which district? A. Kullu. B. Sirmaur. C. Shimla. Or is it D. Mandi? And the answer to this question is D. Mandi. Now, question number 23 is which lake is made on Bias River in Himachal Pradesh? A. Pong Lake. B. Gobind Sagar Lake. C. Parashar Lake. Or is it D. Brigu Lake? And the answer to this question is A. Pong Lake. Now, question number 24 is largest man-made lake in Himachal Pradesh is A. Rivalsa Lake. B. Dal Lake. C. Mani Mahesh. Or is it D. Gobind Sagar? And the answer to this question is D. Gobind Sagar. Now, question number 25 is which is the largest natural lake in Himachal Pradesh? Is it A. Parashar. B. Nako. C. Renuka. Or is it D. Saryolsar? And the answer to this question is C. Renuka. Question number 26. Which of the following lake is not situated in Mandi district? Is it A. Kamrunag. B. Dal Lake. C. Parashar Lake. Or is it D. Rivalsa Lake? And the answer to this question is B. Dal Lake. Question number 27 is Padam Sambhav name is related to which lake? A. Khajiyar, B. Parashar, C. Revalsar, or is it D. Dal? And the answer to this question is C. Revalsar. Now, question number 28 is, on the banks of which lake is the pilgrimage place of Hindus, Sikhs, and Buddhists? A. Revalsar, B. Renuka, C. Chandratal, or is it D. Kaveri? And the answer to this question is A. Revalsar. Question number 29 is, in which lakes there are floating islands? A. Gobind Sagar, B. Revalsar, C. Kumarwa, or is it D. Parashar? The answer to this question is Revalsar Lake. Kamrul Nag Lake is situated at a height of A. 9,000 feet, B. 8,000 feet, C. 10,000 feet, or is it D. 7,000 feet? And the answer to this question is C. 10,000 feet. Now, question number 31 is, which of the following lake is situated in Lahaul Spiti district? Is it A. Mahadal, B. Chandranahan, C. Chandratal, or is it D. None of these? And the answer to this question is C. Chandratal Lake. Now, question number 32 is, Parshuram Tal is situated at which place? A. Renuka, B. Nirmand, C. Revalsar, or is it D. Dharamshala? And the answer to this question is A. Renuka Lake. Renuka only. Now, question number 33 is, which lake of Revalsar is known for its floating islands? A. Kuntbyog, B. Parashar, C. Kalasar, or is it D. Suksar? And the answer to this question is B. Parashar Lake. Now, question number 34 is, which lake is situated in Shimla district? Is it A. Tanujubal, B. Kumarwa, C. Chandratal, or is it D. Parashar? And the answer to this question is A. Tanujubal. Now, question 35 is, which lake is India's third and Himachal's highest lake? A. Mani Mahesh, B. Surajtal, C. Chandratal, or is it D. Lama? And the answer to this question is B. Surajtal Lake. Now, question number 36 is, which lake is known as group of 7 lakes in Himachal Pradesh? A. Gatsaru, B. Nako, C. Lama, or is it D. Renuka? And the answer to this question is Lama Lake. It is made up of 7 lakes. Now, question number 37 is, Sorang Lake is situated in which district? A. Lahaul Spiti, B. Chamba, C. Kinnaur, or is it D. Shimla? And the answer to this question is C. Kinnaur. Now, Chandranahan Lake is situated on which mountain peak? A. Cooper, B. Mani Mahesh, C. Chanshal, or is it D. Tubba? And the answer to this question is C. Chanshal. Question number 39 is, which lake is situated in Kangra district? A. Kareri, B. Gatsaru, C. Lama, or is it D. Khajiyar? And the answer to this question is A. Kareri Lake. Now, question number 40 is, Mani Mahesh Lake is situated in which district? A. Kinnaur, B. Chamba, C. Lahaul, C. Shimla, or is it D. Lahaul Spiti? And the answer to this question is B. Chamba.